Cash advance apps can look almost identical on the surface, but the biggest differences are how they charge, how you qualify, and what happens before you receive money. By the end, you'll know how to compare cash advance apps based on cost, approval requirements, repayment methods, and features that actually matter. The main way to compare cash advance apps is to look at 4 things: fees, eligibility, speed, and repayment. First, check the total cost before choosing an app. Some cash advance apps may use optional tips, subscription models, service charges, or expedited transfer fees. The amount you pay depends on the app's pricing structure and the services you use. A lower upfront fee does not always mean a cheaper option. Compare the full cost of getting the advance and receiving the money in your account. Second, look at approval requirements. Many cash advance apps review factors like your income activity, bank account history, or employment information. Each app uses its own process, so approval with one app does not guarantee approval with another. If an app asks you to connect a bank account, review what information it requests before giving access. Only use apps with clear privacy policies and security information. Third, compare how quickly you can access funds. Some apps may offer standard transfers, while others may provide faster delivery options that come with additional charges. The fastest option is not always the best option if the extra cost is high. Check the transfer choices before requesting money. Finally, look at repayment rules. Some apps automatically collect repayment from your linked account, while others may use different repayment schedules. Understanding the repayment process helps you avoid unexpected withdrawals. A simple comparison chart should include the app's fees, eligibility requirements, transfer options, repayment method, and any extra services. Before choosing a cash advance app, write down what matters most to you. If you need the lowest possible cost, focus on fees. If timing matters more, compare transfer options. If privacy matters, review account access and security details. Cash advance apps are different from traditional loans because they often focus on short-term access to money rather than long-term borrowing. That makes comparing the details before signing up even more important. To summarize, compare the total cost, understand approval requirements, and check repayment rules before using any cash advance app. The next step is to review the terms inside the app you're considering before requesting an advance. If this breakdown helped you understand your options, subscribe for more simple explanations of money apps and financial tools.